Hey friends, this is a door security latch strike. Now basically you place these onto doors like this that have a deadbolt and a regular lock, and it adds extra security. Today we're going to install one quickly on this door so I can show you how it works. Now when I open up this door, you can see here that our old little latch area for the deadbolt has come off. It really didn't fit anymore due to this funky nature on our door jamb. And then we also have the regular latch down here. Now this is metal, and usually what happens is the latch will tag in here and it just brings a little extra security. It's harder to kick in a door and shatter wood when you have a metal support. But if you have something like this that when inserted actually puts the piece between the deadbolt and the latch down here, this is going to add a whole lot of extra support because of that secured metal. Again, what we don't want is somebody to be able to kick in our door, and if it's just the door jamb, splinter all this wood and easily get in. Now you can get a better look at the latch strike here out of the package. You can see it's not super thick, but again, it does have a solid metal base. It's going to add that extra protection. Don't expect these to be foolproof. It just adds some extra strength to your door jamb. So we'll go ahead and remove, again, this old metal plate down here. And then if you have another one for your deadbolt, you will remove that as well so that it's just the wood door jamb. Once you have the old metal pieces removed, and again, it's just the wood door jamb, we can go ahead and set this one into place. Now again, mine is gonna go like this. You want this little curved edge to be on the inside of the door. That's where the latch slides over and then pokes out and locks into place. Okay, so I'm just kind of dry fitting mine right now, making sure everything fits. Make sure these little guards slide into the correct notches. Again, our door jamb's a little janky from the last job that somebody put in, but this looks like it's gonna fit. You can see we're gonna have to drill 3 other holes down here, 3 here, and 3 up here. With a dry fit like this, we also want to close our door, and that way we can see if everything latches appropriately, locks into place. Mine's actually being held up okay because I have this weather stripping here. You may have to drill a little pilot hole and just kind of hold things in place with a screw temporarily to make sure everything is going to close okay. Just close this. Again, that's all dry fit, but we want to make sure things lock here and again go into place. That looks good. Okay, next we'll take a pin and we're just going to mark the center of our holes here, and that's where we know to drill our pilot holes for our screws. Okay, let's go ahead and drill some pilot holes. Again, we're gonna go right in the center there. We'll go ahead and repeat that again with all of our screw holes here. So on the back, there's some directions, and it looks like the small screws are supposed to be on the inside, and the 6 larger screws are supposed to be on the outside of the bar. Okay, and there we go. We've got, again, our 6 long screws on the left-hand side here and the 3 short screws on the inside of the jamb. Let's go ahead and close the door and make sure everything's working okay. Okay, that's locking good. Again, that looks like it's nice and secure. So I think we are good to go. Now, one last thing to mention about security. Obviously, this is our back door. And even though we now have a better security latch here, if somebody really wanted to get in, there's a glass window pane right here that could be shattered. They could reach in and unlock everything. So again, really be mindful when you're looking at these things that are going to help upgrade your home. In this case, we really do need a new back door if we want proper security. So again, that's the Primeline Security Latch Strike. That's how you install it. Looks like it's going to work really great for us. Again, some added security, both with the super long screws, as well as the dual length metal piece that connects all together and makes it a lot more difficult for an intruder to maybe kick in your door. If you're interested in grabbing one of these, you can find it right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put some links in the description box below. And if this video has helped, hit that thumbs up button for us. Stay tuned, make a ton of these little DIY tutorial videos to help make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.